I can't cope with it. Sinks, toilets, countertops, bleach is not the answer. 5 reasons not to use bleach when you're cleaning, and the one solution that is more suitable. 1. The risk of burns, whether it's your skins, your eyes, or even your throat. The smell alone can burn. Accidents happen, so why take the risk? Number 2. Bleach has a short shelf life. 3. The climate crisis. It is real. Bleach can get into our drainage systems, released into the sea with our aquatic life. What if that's the fish that you're eating? Number 4. Bleach doesn't actually clean. Most people use bleach in a toilet at the least. Doesn't remove the actual dirt and soiling. 5. Deadly gas that it can create. When mixed with other chemicals, it can create a poisonous gas. So the simple alternative that you should be using, the descaler. More effective and safer solution to provide a better, deeper clean. If you're still struggling, remember to consult the cleaning professionals here at Vapor Clean. We can give you some more hints and tips along the way.